Now, one thing that we should all aim for as AEC professionals is the opportunity to become an engineering practitioner. Now, I don't really mean this as a job title or anything like that, but what I actually mean is taking the time to learn the theory and design aspects of your field and then exploring it deeper in the field. And with that, today we're going to be hearing from our guest, Len Wright, who's a civil engineering professional at Witt O'Brien. And he's going to be taking a little bit more into this and his experience that he's had with this certain topic. Let's jump right in.
I would have to say I had the opportunity and I took it to get out of the office and get in the field. And this was very early on. I had a couple different project elements that I was working on, and I could have stayed in the office and become sort of the technical expert in a particular modeling context. And I still did that actually down the road. But the opportunity to get out and actually lead a field team to make the measurements that then I went back changed my whole perspective really for the rest of my career. I am a firm believer, especially for civil engineers, to get out and stand on the systems that you're designing and planning, look at the land, look at the people, look at the culture, look at the environment, the receiving waters, the reservoirs, and water resources. My field made all the difference. Definitely having that perspective. So then when you go back into the office and you're doing your engineering stuff, your models, your data, your spreadsheets, your communication tools, you have that groundwork and that foundation from the reality, from the real on the ground experiences that you've had in the field.
So I hope that you all have enjoyed that and that you guys just remember that it's important to gain as much knowledge as you can while you can. I mean, think about it. A sword is more dangerous when it's double-edged. So take that into your account on your day-to-day careers and take some time to see the opposite side of your work to gain true insight and understanding of how your projects are made successful. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing to our channel right over here. We do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers to become better leaders and managers in the engineering industry. I'll see you all next week.